Hello, this is Jeb Hanwiger from goldstocktrades.com, and today we're going to look at some of our precious metal markets and some developments that are occurring in the copper and the precious metals. Let's focus first on copper. It appears that copper has made a significant breakout in the beginning of 2012, and volume is coming in. This may be from the news out of China that their economy, that inflation has been tempered there, and they may be in fact seeing a slowdown, so that this may stimulate, this may cause the reserve banks, as Chinese banks, to stimulate the economy through accommodative actions. And obviously, this week we've seen some powerful technical developments in the copper charts, and obviously this has affected our rare earth stocks in 2012 and uranium. And copper is really a bellwether for all of the industrial metals, and we're beginning to see a possible reversal pattern being formed in the copper. And let's see why. If you notice here in the bottom left-hand chart over here at copper, we've seen that it's breaking and challenging its October high off of that low. And it's set up a sort of symmetrical triangle pattern of higher lows and lower highs. And if this past week, we saw a very strong volume reversal and a breakout and a challenge of these October highs. And we've seen now it regain the 50-day moving average significantly, and we may be witnessing a crossover here of the 20 and 50-day moving average and a bottoming formation in the industrial metals, which I have said that we see here that a very strong rebound in the industrial metals, which was hit very hard in 2011 due to the slowdown, due to the euro and the concerns of a global economic slowdown and contagion. We've seen that the copper price hit hard. We hit it to challenge 2010 levels, and now it's reversing higher. So we're going to be monitoring this very closely. There's also been some beginning signs of some reversal on silver. Now, silver is connected to the industrial metals. It has a dual role of being a precious metal and also being used in industry. So we have noticed that this strong downtrend from September, when Operation Twist was announced, which we see here, this September waterfall decline, when Operation Twist was announced and QE3 was postponed, we saw a sort of gap down, unexpected gap down, rallying to the 50-day a couple of times and failing. But here this downtrend's been broken, and we're going to be closely watching to see if this 50-day moving average is broken to the upside. If that's the case, then this falling triangle or declining triangle may be a indication of a buying point and a reversal of this 4-month significant downtrend since Operation Twist. The gold and the miners are still forming are still forming this sort of declining triangle. We're going to see if it can regain and break through this upper trend resistance like silver has and like copper has. So we're going to be watching, but it seems that the industrial metals, notice today the uranium stocks were very strong. Some of our rare earths were also up double digit. So the industrial metals appear to be taking the lead in 2012, which is benefiting silver to some extent. But we need to be very focused right now on reversals and breakouts occurring in our uranium sector and our rare earth sector. So stay tuned, and we will be keeping you posted. Thank you and have a great day.